It's Emily here today, and I'm going to be working with some of my cousins to create room decor DIY, so let's get into it. Okay, so to start, I'm going to take some of these spray paints that we got at Walmart, and we have a nice pastel pink, a baby blue, and a nice metallic gold. And I'm going to be spray painting all of these stuff for my room that kind of aren't just the right shade that I want or I am going for. And these I also got at Walmart. And I'm going to be doing this as a separate DIY, but I'm going to be spray painting these, and then I'll be showing you guys this next DIY. So let's get into spray painting. Yeah! So we just spray painted this really cute hanger that hung up some of my bags and scarves and stuff like that, and it wasn't quite the pink that I wanted, but it transformed into the one that I wanted with this spray paint, and I thought the color was really cute, and it took only about one coat for the hangers. So we just did front and back, and the gold was amazing. It was so shiny, and I'm so sorry the camera's shaky. Then we just spray painted inside and out of this cup holder also, and then this E that my friend gave me, and it's a little clip to hold some photos, and I thought that would be a great touch for my room. So we started painting this box pink, and it took a couple of coats because of the design on the outside, but it dried very quickly, so that was a plus for the spray paint. And I would have to say it dried within like 30 minutes, so that was great. And then we are spray painting this lamp gold. I'm not sure if it was safe because there was holes on the top of the lamp, but just let me know about that because I'm kind of worried. And this gold was so beautiful, and I just love the sparkly glitter. It looked so metallic and beautiful. So next we started spray painting these pins, 3 different colors, baby pink, baby blue, and gold. And I thought for the next DIY, which you guys are going to see, it is going to be bomb. So just keep on watching, but the blue turned out to be beautiful, so I don't regret using that. Okay, so all of our spray painting is done, and we're just going to wait for it to dry. So now I am adding all of the room decor to my room, and this hanger was absolutely beautiful. It was the color I was going for, and I'm just adding my bags and scarves on there for a pop of color. And next I am gonna take this golden hanger, and it turned out so metallic, and I'm just hanging up all my stuff on it. It reflected the light so great, by the way, along with this cup holder, and I just put my makeup brushes in, and it made it look so stunning. And then I took this pink box and just added some of the things that I would use every day in it, like my perfumes, and I thought it was a great way of storing things. I also took this lamp, and the light just made it look so great, along with my desk. I took this golden E, and it was just a photo holder, and I took the 2 pictures of my bunnies, and it just added a great look. Then for the next DIY, I just took some of these postcards I had, and then my cousin hung up the postcards on my LED lights with the pins that we had just spray painted in order of pink, gold, and blue. Okay guys, so for the next DIY, we are going to be making some cute pillows for my bed. See, those pillows aren't very bright and I'm looking for some brightness. So let's get into making the pillows. Okay, so first you're going to start by taking the material and cutting it out to the size you want. And then once the material is ready, you have to flip it inside out when you're hot gluing it, like that. Or you can sew it if you want. You hot glue it, then you flip it out, and then you put the stuffing in, so it just creates a nicer finish, and your edges won't be as rigid as this. And I'm gonna just hot glue all around, so basically these two places, and then I'm going to leave that open, and then I'll flip it inside out. So I decided to make two big pink pillows, and that was the first pillow that we made. And I got this fabric in a yard, if you guys were wondering, and it made two pillows. And that yard was only $1, which was amazing, which means about 50 cents for each pillow. And then I also got this polka dot material, and I made one small pillow, and it was more long and lengthy. And then I made two more pillows, and they were more rectangle shaped, but they were mini. And once the pillows were all done, I just set them up on my bed, and it just added so much volume and color to my room. I just really loved it. I just added a throw to my bed, and it also added some new color, and that was the last DIY. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this really helped your DIYs to create an amazing room. Please subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Bye guys. Bye.